In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable CORS in AWS S3. If you're looking to manage cross-origin resource sharing for your S3 buckets, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience. To get started, open your AWS Management Console. In the search bar at the top, type S3 and select it from the drop-down list. This will take you to the S3 dashboard, where you can see all your available buckets. Now, locate the specific bucket you wish to update. You'll see a list of all your buckets, so click on the name of the one you're working with. This action will bring you to the Buckets Overview page. Once you're on the Bucket Overview page, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Among the various options, you'll find the Permissions tab. Go ahead and click on it. This tab is where you manage all the access controls and settings related to your bucket. Now you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. As you do, you'll encounter the Cross-Origin Resource Sharing, or CORS, section panel. This section is crucial if you want to control how your resources are shared across different origins. On the right-hand side of the CORS panel, you'll notice an Edit button. Click on this button to enable modifications to your CORS settings. Once you've clicked Edit, a text area will appear where you can input your CORS configuration. At this point, you'll need to paste your JSON rules into the provided text area. JSON rules dictate how different domains can interact with your S3 resources. If you're unsure of what JSON rules to use, AWS provides examples in their documentation that you can modify to suit your needs. Make sure your JSON syntax is correct to avoid any errors when saving your configuration. After pasting your JSON rules, review them to ensure everything is correct. This is your chance to double-check that the domains you want to grant access to are listed and that the permissions align with your requirements. Once you're confident in your configuration, look for the Save Changes button and click it to apply your new CORS settings. It's a straightforward step, but crucial to ensure your rules take effect. And that's it. You've successfully enabled CORS for your AWS S3 bucket. This configuration will now manage how resources are accessed across different origins, enhancing your bucket's interoperability and security. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AWS tips and tricks. Until next time, happy coding.